Fucker's got a squirrel, dude. Look at him.
Maybe we shouldn't get this close to him.
Fucker has a squirrel, dude.
Chill. Oh, he's that close.
Holy shit.
He's gonna go home. I thought he was gonna attack me. Hi.
It's because it's got food and it's
Watch me, Dad. Dad.
Dude, he's...
it'll fight you for that thing.
I'm gonna stop recording in a second.